So you're welcome to this special tutorial. So this is hydraulic press calculation, whereby we have, which is based on Pascal principle, P1 equal to P2, that is F1 over A1 equal to F2 over A2. So that's a simple calculation. So in hydraulic press machine, we have both small and large piston. So the small piston is where the force is applied, that is a downward force, and the large piston is where a upward force is generated. They are due to the application of what? The downward force. So we have 50 Newton as the downward force at an area of 2 meters square, and the F2 is unknown. We have to calculate the force 2 at an area of 10 meter square. So we make F2 the subject of the formula. So we now have 50 times 10 over 2, that is 250. So that is the answer. The force acting upward will be what? 250 Newton. So our second example, using the radius, so we have to find F2. So the radius is given to be what? 2 centimeter, and the applied force, which is acting downward, is 100 Newton. And don't forget, we have our radius to be in what? To be in centimeter already, and the radius of the, let's say the radius of the small piston of 2 centimeter, and the radius of the what? Large piston is what? 6 centimeter. So respectively, so we now have the area equal to pi r square, that is area 1, and area 2 is pi r square 2, to give us what? To give us 2 square rather. So, and again we are finding our let me say our second force, which is F2. We now have 100 times 36 pi over 4 pi to give us what? To give us 900 Newton. Don't forget, pi we cancel pi. Okay, so to give us what? 900 Newton respectively. So let me give you a secret. You know, that example too, the radius, we have 2 radius there, and they are given in centimeter. But let me tell you something, you don't need conversion here. But if one of the radius is in meter and the other one is in centimeter, you either convert the one in meter to centimeter, or the one in centimeter to what? Meter. So when you're converting from centimeter to meter, that is division of what? 100. You divide by 100. But when you're converting meter to centimeter, you multiply by 100. Now the third example says we should find the input force, that is the applied force. Is that clear? Don't forget, we are working on Pascal principle, and don't forget, hydraulic press machine works based on Pascal principle. Now to find the input force, now we have the small piston area to be 5 meters square, and the large piston area to be what? To be 20 meters square. Don't forget, our F2 is given already, which is 500 Newton, as you can see in the large piston now. Now to find the applied force or the input force, is that clear? We have F1, that is equal to, we make F1 the subject of the formula. Yeah, I think there was a mistake here. So we have, that is, we make F1 the subject of the formula. That would be 5 times 500 to give us 2,500 over 20. So 2,500 divided by 20 will give us what? We give us 125 Newton. So that is the downward force. Don't forget, the downward force will be smaller than the what? The upward force. So the downward force is the applied or the input force we have to find. And the other force, which is what? 500 Newton, is acting at the, let me say, the large piston. Is that clear? So that is for that. So the last one here is prayer method, and don't forget, prayer is the force per unit area, that is P equal to F over A. So we have to find our force applied. Is that clear? Now we now have we cross multiply here and make the F the subject of the formula. So we now have F equal to P times A. So we have the prayer to be 5,000 and our A to be 0.2. So 5,000 times 0.2 will give us 1,000 Newton. Prayer is measured in Newton per meter square, while force is measured in Newton, and area is measured in what? Meter square or centimeter square. So thank you for this short tutorial, and I believe you really enjoy the fact that I give you this serious facts. for you to understand. So don't forget, subscribe to my channel, and we'll meet again next time. I still remain my humble self, Tutu Testy Baba. Thanks for watching my video. I love you all.